Give you a bit of time. 10 seconds. Once ready, just Grab. Okay, very good. So if you follow the first approach, you are looking at the impact of the acquisition, not on Uber, right? It's on Grab. And then how do you split this start and port? When you talk about impact on a firm, are you talking about efficiency? Revenue minus revenue minus cost. But if you don't use the first way, you can also use the second way. The decision maker is Grab. Objective, being rational, is profit max. They will not conflict one. It will always result in the same outcome, right? Same. So what are your 2 points? The first one, you will probably want to say Grab was very keen to take over Uber's operations because they will have larger market share. They will have fewer substitutes. Okay, your market share goes up and you have one less competitor or one less substitute. Okay. So you have larger and steeper revenue curves. Therefore, you can, increase the price to further increase your revenue. In fact, I already prepared you for this by giving you the A12, B12 structure. Still remember? What is the cost advantage if Grab were to buy over Uber? Immediately, when you're bigger, what do you get? EOS. Sorry? Preferential treatment when you buy your raw materials, right? From the suppliers, you may get bulk discounts. That is marketing, EOS. So this per unit cost savings. You see what happens? The points try to drive towards the dartboard in the shortest possible distance. Because on Zoom, one of you also asked, can we say this is a strategic to prevent the entry of new firms? It's a strategic barrier to entry. Within 4 marks, we only have 2 marks to express each impact, right? So we go there in the most direct way possible. Okay. Don't know if how many of you watched the FA Cup yesterday, but one person was limping out of the field, then purposely took a long route, and the opponent wanted to go and beat him up. Okay, waste time. That's what they do in sports, but here we don't waste time because the time is ours to lose. Okay, so we go for the most direct one, per unit cost savings in the form of internal EOS. Can you see? 1 point on cost, 1 point on revenue. So while when we go through the notes, we have a lot of related points, okay? Like barrier to entry, okay? Or even the government may view Grab more favorably. What we are doing here is a little bit different, which is why the notes and the answers, you need a bridge, which is application. And this is our A12, B12 structure. So what you read from the notes is still important, but you follow our notes here, and I think that's going to make you a force to be reckoned with, okay, when you go for the exams. Wait, let me just drag this away. I want to ask you a question also, okay?